In the first example, we have I on both sides of the equation. One of them is inside of the parentheses. First, we have to eliminate the parentheses. We have to multiply the negative sign by every single sign inside of the parentheses. Negative times negative will give me positive. That's why I'm going to have 4i. Negative times positive will give me negative. That's why I'm going to have negative 6. And I have 3i minus 8. I have to bring all i's to one side, either side, left or right. And negative 6 you have to bring to the other side. I'm going to collect all terms with I on the left side and everything without I, I'm going to move to the right side. That's why I'm going to have 4i minus 3i, because I'm going to bring 3i from right to left. I have to change the sign. I have minus 6 is going to be moved to the right side. That's why I'm going to have negative 8 plus 6. 4i minus 3i is equal I equals negative 8 plus 6 is equal negative 2. This is the answer to my problem. Let's verify the answer. You can verify the answer by replacing every I in the original equation by negative 2. That's why I'm going to have negative 4 times negative 2 plus 6 equals 3 times negative 2 minus 8. And I have negative 4 times negative 2 is equal 8 plus 6 equals 3 times negative 2 is equal negative 6 minus 8. Negative 8 plus 6 is 14 equals negative 6, negative 8 is equal also negative 14. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side of the equation. That's why the answer to my problem is I equals negative 2. Let's take a look at the second example. We have 4a on the left side of the equation and I have a inside of the parentheses on the right side of the equation. So in order to pull out this a from the parentheses, I have to apply the distributive law and eliminate the parentheses first. I have 4a plus 8 on the left side of the equation, and as we said, we have to multiply minus 6 by every single term inside of the parentheses. I have minus 6 times 3 is negative 18. Minus 6 times positive a is minus 6a. Next, I have to combine the like terms by moving this negative 6a to the left side of the equation and positive 8 to the right side of the equal sign. And I'm going to have 4a plus 6a equals negative 18 minus 8. 4a plus 6a is equal 10a equals negative 18 minus 8 is equal negative 26. Next, in order to find the value of a, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to a. In this case, I have to divide both sides equation by 10. 10 and 10 will cancel out. So a is going to be equal negative 26 over 10. Why? Because negative divided by invisible positive is negative. 26 and 10, both of them are divisible by 2. Negative 26 divided by 2 is 13 over 10 divided by 2 is equal 5. If you want to verify if your answer is correct, you're supposed to use this form, I mean improper fraction, okay, and replace every single a in original equation. But in order to find the final answer, you're supposed to convert this improper fraction to the mixed number by dividing 13 by 5. 5 goes into 13 two times. 2 times 5 is equal 10. Subtract, this is 3, so answer is 2 and 3 over 5. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. And the final answer is equal minus 2 and 3/5. This is the solution to my problem.